the plug I'd give is to Namra, because Namra has been, a huge part of our success. And I think just matches our energy on things, which makes what we do a lot of fun, because they're just similar to what I was saying about insurance. Like, there's 101 places that you can buy your insurance from. Like, there are maybe even more than that people who are making themselves out to be marketing experts in the space. And I'm sure a lot of them do a great job, and they know what they're doing. But like, I've found that you guys are a great mix of, what you're talking about, and you're able to deliver, a good product for us. And at the same time, like, we always have fun doing it too. And I think you can kind of, match our vision and the energy that we're trying to bring to the table, which makes everything just that much more enjoyable. Because, I know that when we're excited and anticipating some release of a fun video that we did, like, you guys are equally as excited and enjoying the fact that that video is going out too. It's not like you're just doing this because, like, sure, yes, you're being paid to do it, but also, like, you're genuinely, like, excited about the product that's going to be put out there and, like, the concept or whatever. So,
dude, that's the best compliment we can get. Thank you, man.